Fifth chapter is Introduction to Calc, and above chapter we learn about HTML, how to create an HTML web page or a web file. Now, Introduction to Calc. First of all, let's see an introduction. Calc is an electronic spreadsheet package from OpenOffice suites that is used for a fast and accurate calculation as well as formatting of data in a document. First of all, OpenOffice suites is same as a Microsoft OpenOffice suites. Microsoft suites or OpenOffice suites are same. We know that in a Microsoft Office we have an Excel file. Same as a OpenOffice, there is a Calc file for a calculation. The spreadsheet package is used for managing financial and accounting documents, creating a data reports, generating invoices, analyzing data from scientific and statistical researches, and for doing a variety of calculation on a data. Simply, main purpose of Calc is a calculation, right? Financial and accounting data related to a numeric data only, so it is used for that. Next, it also store, manipulate and create a graphical representation of data. It allows entering data in a rows and column fashion like in our Microsoft Excel file. We enter a data in a row or column wise, same is a Calc. Now, typical application for spreadsheet. First, balance sheet, statements of financial position and summary in a typical account format. Next use is a result analysis and merit list preparation. We know that our result is making in a Calc or a Excel format, same as a for using a calculating, sorting, filtering the results of some activities such as an examination. So making a result we use a Calc. Next, statistical data analysis, sorting. Sorting means arranging a data in a sorting manner, sort something, arranging data, applying a statistical operations such as a finding mean, median, probability, etc. Next, financial activities such as a loan installment calculation, interest calculation, etc. done by Calc sheet. Next, personal activities such as tracking a personal weight, managing list of activities, items, events such as preparing a list of guests for a party or forthcoming event. So basically it is used to making a list, making a calculation. So we use a Calc sheets. Now, getting started with Calc. How to start a Calc? First, follow the command to open a Calc. First go to a application menu. Next go to Office and then go to Open Office spreadsheet as shown in a figure. Like we open a Microsoft Office. Same as a go to application, go to a Office, then go to a Microsoft Office and then open a Microsoft Office Excel. Same as for opening a Calc. First go to application. See here, application places our system. There is a Linux system, Ubuntu system, not a Windows operating system, right? But same as a Windows operating system, go to application, then Office, OpenOffice.org spreadsheet. Now, this is the main screen of our OpenOffice Calc. See, there is a same like a Microsoft Excel sheet. Here, when Calc is started, the main windows look similar to figure. See, there is a first untitled one, OpenOffice.org Calc. This is the first title bar of our Calc sheet. Here, untitled is the by default name of our file, or OpenOffice.org is the program name. Next, second line is a menu bar. Here there is a different types of menu available. Next, there is a standard toolbar. Here there is a standard toolbar available. Third line indicate. Next, there is a name. Here, active cell reference name box. See, there is a one black box available. It is a active cell A or 1 which indicate the row or column. Next, this is the formatting toolbar. Here blank box is indicate the formula bar. Now, this is an OpenOffice Calc program. Now, this is a row header. See, This is a row header. It appears in a 1, 2, 3 formats. This is a column header. It appears on a ABC format. Next, there is a 3 by default sheets available, and first per file, sheet 1, sheet 2 or sheet 3. Next, this is the status bar. Here zoom in or zoom out available facilities. So this is the main basic windows of our KLC. Now, brief explanation. First is a title bar. As we know that there is a first title bar, Untitled 1, OpenOffice ORG KLC. This is the title bar of our KLC. The title bar located at the top shows the name of the current spreadsheet. When the spreadsheet is newly created, its name is Untitled X, where X is a number, any number. Suppose this is our first file. So here our title is Untitled 1. Next, when you save a spreadsheet for the first time, you are prompted to enter a name of your choice. Next is a menu bar. Under the title bar is the menu bar. When you choose one of the menus, a sub menu appears with the other option. You can modify the menu bar. Now, there is the second line which indicates a menu bar. There is a 9 types of menu available. First is a file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, windows or help. Let's see first menu. First is a file, which contains commands that apply to the entire document, such as open. To open a new file, we go to a file menu, save for file, save, wizards, export as a PDF and digital signature. So this is the first menu, file. Next, edit. It contains commands for editing the documents such as undo, redo, changes, compare documents and find and replace. It's available on a edit menu. Third is a view menu. It contains commands for modifying how to KLC user interface looks, such as the toolbars, full screen view and the zoom. When you want to zoom your screen, then go to a view menu. Next, insert. If I want to make a table and insert a row, then go to a insert menu. It contains commands for inserting elements such as cells, rows, columns, sheets and pictures into a spreadsheet. If you want to add a pictures on your spreadsheet, then go to a insert menu. Next is a format menu. It contains commands for modifying the layout of a spreadsheet, such as styles and formatting, paragraph and merge cells. Next, tools. It contains functions such as spelling, share documents, cell contents, gallery and macros. If you want to check your spelling correction, then go to a tools menu. Next is a data. It contains commands for manipulating data in your spreadsheet, such as a defined range, sort, filter or a data payload. Next, window. It contains commands for the display window, such as a new window, split window or a freeze window. Next, help. It contains links to the help file bundle with the software. What's this? Support, registration and check for updates. This help menu is available on all the programs files, right? So there are the basic 9 menus in our menu bar in a KLC. Next, there is a toolbar. See in a figure, see, there is a toolbar. There is a 2 types of toolbar available. First is a standard toolbar and second is a formatting toolbar. Let's see in a brief. First of all, toolbar. 3 toolbars are located under the menu bar by default. The standard toolbar, formatting toolbar and the formula bar. Toolbars can be turned off and on as per the needs by selecting view or toolbar. First is a standard toolbar. See, there is the figure of standard toolbar here. It contains most frequently used standard command from file and edit menu. Recently used icons are reflected in this bar. See, there is a spelling check, cut, print. So there are the options available on a standard toolbars which we frequently used. Next, formatting toolbar. It used most frequently used commands for formatting content of a cell. It allows you to do formatting quickly. Suppose, see, there is the figure of formatting toolbar here. First is for a font name like Arial. If you want to change the font in a Times New Roman format, then go to here and change the format. formula toolbar presents facilities for entering and editing formula within a cell. Like we want to insert a formula, then go here, formula toolbar. Next, buttons in a toolbar can be modified. User can add buttons to the toolbar, remove them and adjust their sequence. You can add, remove and adjust any buttons on your toolbar. You can add or remove toolbar as shown in a figure. Let's see. First of all, go to a view menu. Next, go to a toolbar. Then here there is a different types of menu or a sub menu available. 3D settings, align, drawing. If you want to insert a formatting, then click on formatting, standard, formula bar, so that can appear on your toolbar. Right. If you want to add a pictures on your toolbar, then simply select a picture button and it displayed on your toolbar. So you can add, remove and adjust the sequence. Next, rows, columns and cells. There is the main part of our CalC because all the CalC files are based on a rows and columns format. Right. So each worksheet is divided into a vertical columns and horizontal rows forming a cells. So how to make a cells? Columns and rows is making a one cells. Both the rows as well as columns are numbered. Columns with alphabets and rows with numbers. As we know that the CalC contains 1024 columns, 1048,576 rows are available on above CalC file. Right, 1024 columns or 1048,576 rows are available on a CalC. Next, workspace means work area. The empty grids of a cell from an area where user's data appears. That type of area when we enter our data. So this is the workspace of CalC. While entering a data, you may directly click on a specific cell and enter a data as well as formula. The cell may not show a formula but display its result in a form of data. Let's see. First of all, we know that is the first window of OpenOffice CalC, right? So what is rows and what is columns? First, A, B, C, D, E is the column of CalC. 1, 2, 3, there are the rows available. See, A indicate the first column, which a column A. Now here 3 indicate the third row. Same as suppose I won't go to 10, then it's a indicate the 10th row. Now see this cell which indicate the A3 because the column is first and after that row, so cell name is a A3. Suppose here when mouse click is appear, this is the cell of A10. Same as this blank box which indicate the cell C1. Why cell C1? Because our column is a C and row is a 7th. So first indicate the column and then appear a row name. So C7, 7th row or a third column. Next, zoom tool. See, and here zoom tool is available. It is used to zoom in or zoom out a worksheet. You may zoom out your worksheet for a better view. Figure shows that worksheet is zoomed to 168%. See, figure is zoomed to 168% to better view. So this is the zoom tool available, vertical or horizontal scroll bars with zoom tools. Next, scroll bar. As the worksheet size is more than to your computer screen, the CalC automatically provides you a scroll bars on either sides of the sheet. You can see the vertical or horizontal scroll bar on a screen. So two types of scroll bar are available on all the programs. Here, horizontal or a vertical. Next, status bar. This bar shows present status of the document along with other data such as the sum of the selected cells, page style, selection mode or unsaved changes. This is the status bar. Sheet 1 out of 3. Default standard sum is equal to 0. Next, sheet tab. Using the sheets tabs, you can move between worksheet on the document. By default, there are 3 sets available. See, sheet 1, sheet 2 or sheet 3. By default 3 sheets are available on our first or on our any files. If you want to add a new sheets, then